today I'll be showing you I'm gonna deep clean my fridge. I haven't really deep cleaned my fridge lately, so I'm just gonna do that today. Today is Monday, so before I start my day, because now it's around 6 a.m. so I'm just gonna get right into it. And please, if you haven't subscribed and you're new on my channel, I'm saying welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, and I know you're gonna love everything that you're seeing on my channel, from lifestyle to food recipes to product review to just everything. But for now, do enjoy my videos, and I will see you all in my next video. So right now I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you, because the thing is, I didn't film before, but I'm just gonna show you everything that I put out from my fridge and freezer, and then I'm going to show you the empty fridge. The thing is, I've already sprayed what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to clean my fridge, and then we just deep clean together. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends as well. And yeah, let's just get right into how the fridge is looking at the moment. I'm just gonna show you everything. It's not as if it's kind of dirty, but I've already sprayed in what I'm gonna use. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. And this is the fridge, this is the egg area, which I can't really take out because I've already cleaned this place. But I'm just going to take out the egg and then clean. And then this is the bit that I can't really take out. This is how everything is. And this is the freezer bit. I'm just going to show you the freezer bit. So this is the freezer bit that I've already sprayed as well. And this is how it's looking. This is the floor bits. The yellow thing that you're seeing is the spray that I've already sprayed on it. So it's not as if that is the way the freezer is looking. So I've already sprayed everything. So these are some of the things that I brought out from the freezer. I've got my fruits. That is everything. And these are the freezer cases that I'm gonna wash. This is the product I sprayed in my fridge, and I'm going to be using this microfiber cloth to just clean out everything. Because it's already soaked, like all the dirt is already soaked in there. So I'm just going to use this with a bowl of water to just wipe everything out of the fridge. So I'm just going to get right into it now, and make sure you follow me. Why I'm using the freezer bag is just because I needed a little bit more of space in my freezer, and I could see that I've got more things than the space in my freezer, so I had to get this freezer bag from Poundland, and it's just £1. I think it's just 8 or 10 in the pack. I had this shrimps as well, which was in a plastic bag before, so I had to just put that one as well inside the freezer bag, and I could see that there is more space for me in the freezer to even put more things that I actually put in the fridge inside the freezer. And that is I normally put my okra, that's why I cook everything in excess sometimes, and then I'll just put them in the freezer, and everything is well organized. So coming back to the ice lollies, because this is summer anyway, so what I actually did with the ice lollies, I took them out of the original pack and then I just put them in the freezer bag. So what I did is, the ones that are the same, I put them together, and then that is where I just sorted all the ice lollies out, and then I just placed them in the freezer box as well, because I could see that me putting everything together like that, I'm gonna have enough space in my freezer. So just for correction, the freezer bag has 18 in there, so 18 freezer bags in it, and it's just £1. So all I'm just doing now is I'm just organizing everything together. I don't know why, I just like to just organize things together. Like, I don't like things flying up and down the place. You know, when you organize things, it makes everywhere look so neat and tidy. Everywhere is looking all tidied up, like everything is just in place, and there's enough space again for me to put any other thing I need to put in there. So everything in my freezer all well packed away and looking tidy. That's it. That's it. Right. Yeah. I got this bacon from Aldi, and why I got it is just because this one is a reduced salt one. I don't normally eat bacon because of too much salt, but this one was just the perfect one for me. In case you're wondering what this is locust beans. And locust beans, you could add it to your vegetables, you could add it to your fried pepper and all that. And this one is the, how can I say it? It is iruwuru, the single locust beans. Yeah, the single locust beans. That is why it's called woro. Woro means like single things or something. I don't know how to say it in English. And this one is the moshi locust beans, like irukpete. So this is irukpete. You can put this one as well in your ewedu. You can blend it with your ewedu, you can blend it with your okra, you know, just put in anything that you want to put this locust beans in. Because I don't know how to say woro or iru woro in English. If anybody knows, please drop it in the comment section. English is not my first language, it's not my forefather's language. Anyway, so moving on, my kitchen, Moving on, my fridge is looking well organized the way I want it to be, and I'm so happy that I could achieve this. And I think, yeah, that's it basically for now. This is where I store my fruits and my ginger and everything, and this top bit is where I store any cooked stew or anything that I have that I'm still using or I'm still eating. So this is how my freezer and my fridge is all looking now after all the deep cleaning and the organizing and the and just putting everything just in place. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching my video, please do subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. And thank you guys so much for watching up to this time. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.